Guess what time it is? Guess what day it is? Yes, it's day 13. Day 13 is the day. We're going to open the door number 13 and we're joined at the bottom of the Christmas tree by our guests today, which are two carol singing mice. There you go. And of course, if I pan across here, we've got Bobby Dog. Bobby, are you ready for today's joke? What do you call a bunch of chess players bragging about their games in the hotel lobby? Chestnuts boasting in an open fire? Get it? Anyway, let's have enough of the jokes for now. Day 13, Bob. Off you go. Day 13. Oh, there he goes. Bobby, it's at the other end. No? Let's have a look. Can you find it today? Day 13. Yeah? Give up? Do you want a clue? Yeah? How about here? How about there, look? If I open the door, you know what's inside? Yes! Another biscuit! Merry Christmas all! Day 13. Not long to go now. Merry Christmas. Bobby, say bye until tomorrow. See you later. Have a good day.